spiralize the cucumber, you need 2 chopsticks. Place the cucumber in between and just cut at a 45-degree angle all the way across. Flip over, and now just cut straight across. And this gives you the perfect spiralized cucumber. So we're just gonna add a lot of salt. And don't worry about the amount of salt because we're gonna wash it off. It's just to draw the moisture out of the cucumber. So it's been about 15 minutes and here's all the water from the cucumber. We're gonna rinse it off and start with our seasoning. I patted it dry and now I'm adding minced garlic, sliced onions. I'm missing green onions, but we'll roll with it. A little bit of salt, soy sauce. So this is gochugaru, is Korean pepper powder. Do about 2 tablespoons of it. Here's another one. Sesame oil, rice vinegar, brown sugar, oops, and sesame seeds. Wow, this smells really good. Like I'm ready to eat it. With the Asian cucumber salad, I recommend eating this immediately because it's nice and crunchy still.